Indic Electronic Manufacturing Services has been providing quality custom electronic manufacturing, design engineering, and test development services to its customers by building an identity around trustworthy and diligent service. Indic EMS has recently unveiled a dedicated warehouse designed to ensure that your product. The new warehouse is a 3-floor facility which is fully operational to take on your requirements. A brand new thermostat system has been enabled to ensure optimum temperature control in the warehouse. We have also acquired an MSD chamber to keep the products in a secure moisture-free state. Precision accuracy is enabled with the help of our X-ray counting machine, which ensures that every single component is accounted for. Inventory tracking is maintained on the fly with placement of barcode scanners at various stages of the process. MSD flooring and bins have been installed to prevent static discharges and ensure the safety of the product and of our employees. At Indic, we maintain a first-in first-out policy, meaning what comes in first is the first to be processed out. The Cardex horizontal rack module, which has been recently installed, is an important addition, which enhances our ability to process at a greater speed. This also ensures efficient picking and processing of the products, ensuring that no stone is left unturned when we render our services to you. Indic EMS is constantly looking to grow and expand into greater horizons. And with the acquisition of new land, we have held steadfastly onto our commitment to constantly strive to give you the best, every time.